Hello everyone, and thank you for stopping by at Auto Avenue. In this video, I will be reviewing this 2018 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG. Before I get started on that, please be sure to join the Auto Avenue Discord server. If you have any car questions, you can ask it there, as well as share some car-related content and more. Starting off with performance, this car has a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 that kicks out 362 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 384 pound-feet of torque at 2,000 RPM. The C43 AMG is only offered with a 9-speed shiftable automatic. It is also only offered in all-wheel drive, which is Mercedes-Benz's 4MATIC system. In terms of MPG, this C43 AMG gets a combined MPG of 23 miles per gallon, and this vehicle can seat 5 people. This car has a center limited slip differential, so you can be faster off the line. This car is also equipped with 18-inch AMG wheels. Some noteworthy features of this vehicle include a panoramic sunroof, which by the way is $1,000, a rear lip spoiler, an AMG night package, which is $300 and adds black accents all throughout the exterior of the vehicle. Some safety features of the C43 AMG include a blind spot detection system, dual front and rear side airbags, a emergency brake assist system, and many more. Some interior packages include a multimedia package, smartphone integration package, which is essentially Mercedes Me, as well as a black Napa leather package. You also get 2 subwoofers and 5 total speakers. Some key features of this car include an interior air filtration system, dual illuminating vanity mirrors, a hands-free entry system, and heated mirrors. The front seats are 10-way power adjusting with 3-person memory on both the driver and passenger side. There is also a carbon fiber package, which this vehicle does not have, that replaces all the wood trims around the interior, that replaces it with carbon fiber trims, as well as adds some carbon fiber accents and trims all around the exterior of the vehicle. Coming back to the engine of this C43 AMG, the turbochargers allow for great low-end power, and that helps especially when it comes to this vehicle's 0 to 60 time, which is a whopping 4.6 seconds. When new, this vehicle started at $53,400, although this one is priced a little lower because of depreciation. It's a 3-year-old model and has some amount of miles on it, so it's placed about 10 grand less. There was also an illuminated star option, which adds about $450 to the vehicle's price. However, with the illuminated star, you won't get any safety features. This C43 AMG is 185 inches long and has a wheelbase of 111.8 inches that measures the distance from the front wheel to the back wheel. The height of this vehicle is 56.3 inches. And it has a width of 71.3 inches, and this includes the mirrors as well. The C43 AMG is offered in 2 other configurations. It's offered as a coupe and a cabriolet. The coupe configuration just has 2 doors, so it's a 2-door model, and the rear taillights look a bit different. The cabriolet configuration has 2 doors and is a convertible. More interior features of this car include a DVD and CD player, Sirius satellite radio system, as well as Burmester speakers. This car also has a valet function, so if you put it into valet mode, it restricts some features of this vehicle. Also available is an outside temperature gauge, as well as a trip computer and a HomeLink garage door system. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please be sure to check out my other videos as well.